Jimmie Foxx needs our prayers. At the moment, he is recovering from a health complication. The important thing here is that he's being a helper, he's being a blessing to other people. Therefore, he deserves to be blessed equally. If you recall, when Haiti was in a difficult moment, he gathered artists and rebranded Michael Jackson's song, "We Are the World." He brought artists together to raise funds for Haiti. He may not need funding at the moment, but one thing I sure do he needs is our prayers. Let us pray. Let us trust the King of Glory to bring healing amidst the medications he's receiving at the moment.